In this video, I am going to show you how you can download TikTok in India. And yes, I know it's officially banned, but I will guide you through some simple ways to get it back. Firstly, you will need a VPN. There are many VPNs out there, but I will recommend NordVPN and ExpressVPN because they are fast, secure and have servers all over the world. I have already made a review plus promo code video on this VPN. So if you want to save your money, make sure to check out that video and you will find the link in the description. So you can download the VPN app from the Play Store or App Store. After downloading, open the VPN and connect to a server in a country where TikTok is not banned, like the US or Singapore. Once connected, head to your App Store and search for TikTok. And you should be able to see it now. If the App Store still doesn't show TikTok, so you don't have to worry, I have got another way. You can download the TikTok APK file from third-party stores like APK Pure or Aptoid. And here is how you can do it. Visit the APK Pure or Aptoid website on your phone. Then search for TikTok and download the APK file. Another easy way to use TikTok without the app is through your web browser. Once you have connected to a VPN, just go to tiktok.com in your browser and you can watch all your favorite videos there and even log into your account to engage with content like you normally would. And the last way for those who really want to use the app is you can create a new Google Play or Apple ID account with a different country setting. Just change your location to the US or any other country where TikTok is available and you will be able to download the app without any issues. I just want to say using TikTok through this method still be against the local regulations, so do it at your own risk. So that's it for this video guys. If you have any doubt or question, please drop a comment below. And if you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.